The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Alibaba. It looks like last week we closed right around the 86.64 level, and we just traded pretty much a point lower from there. So not a lot has changed. So let's go over the chart to figure out why we're having a hard time getting through this 93.50 level. So you can see that 93.50 level is acting as a pretty good resistance zone and sending prices lower. There is support here, so we'll have to wait and see if this holds and we see higher prices. So not sure if this is going to hold or not, but if it holds, there's a good chance to reach that $100 target that I've been mentioning to complete the measure move. So this is the first leg up, and this is the second leg up. Measure move target is right around the 102 level. So that's where prices are trying to reach. But if we find a level that prices can't pass through, we're going to start trending in the opposite direction. So right now we're seeing a drop down. I don't think this is that bad. I think it might be just a short trap. So we could just creating some type of two-legged move down for a future move higher, something like that. Now, if this pattern does not play out and we can break the 84.64 level and even reach the gap fill at the $80 level. But if we trend down all the way to the $76 level or the mid 70s, I think that's too low for this trend. I don't want to see a pullback that far down. That tells me we're probably just going to continue lower. So as long as BABA continues to have these small little pullbacks, then that's fine. Normally when a trend is just starting, you want to see it have small corrections. You don't want to see it have these big moves. Whenever a trend is very large, yeah, you can have these big moves, up and down, or the correction's large. But if we have a correction large and just the starting of a trend, that doesn't look like a good sign to me. So right now we're reaching a potential support area at this mid 84 level. If it holds, I think we're going to see another test of this 93 level, and maybe this time it'll probably break it to reach the 102 level. Now if we break down below to create some type of short trap, we can still do the same thing. Now if we break down too far, then I'm probably not going to be look that bullish anymore for BABA. So that's all I have on the daily chart. Pretty much just sideways price action since last week. Nothing really has changed, but we need to see some type of breakout that can fail to the bottom for prices to continue higher. So that's what it looks like it's setting up to do. Now here's the weekly chart for Alibaba. 3 consecutive red weeks. You can see the price has dropped 3 weeks in a row, not by much, so that's a good sign. Every time we have like a big move, normally you're gonna see some sideways price action, because the market is just overextended, so it wants to just breathe and take a break. So that's what we're getting right now. So it's not anything worrisome. So we need to stay above the $80 level. If we break down below that, to the mid 70s, I mean that's pretty bad. That's not what you want to see. So it's looking like we're pulling back to test this EMA. In the past, we broke through the EMA and could not hold it. You see this red candle, or the price just broke right through it. Now we don't want to see the same thing again, because probably just going to continue with the prevailing trend, which is down. If we see a bounce fairly soon, I think that's a very good indication that we're going to continue higher and see those triple digit price levels I'm talking about. So that's all I have for BABA this week. Kind of flat from the previous week. It's still looking bullish, but again, if we start breaking down levels, then the downtrend is still in place. So we'll have to wait and see. But it'd be nice if BABA can find some type of footing at this level and then just rally higher, because there is some nice targets to hit on the upside. So that's all I have for BABA this week, and I'll see you guys next week Friday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.